This is a 2-pack of 18.5-inch long garden hose wands with 8 spray patterns and a 180-degree rotating head. I would send them to review, but these things are amazing, so let me show you a closer look. There is an adapter that screws out, and then this will attach to your standard garden hose. This has a 180-degree, and you can stop it anywhere, 180-degree tilt, no matter which way you need to stand, so that you're not hurting your back, what you need to reach. I love this thing. It has a thumb control right here, and you can control full, you can bring it down, you can do a little bit, you could go full blast. Just really great how much control you have right there with your thumb. Right here, there are 8 different types of spray. This is shower, flood, flat, full, and they click in, so it's really easy to know when you're in the slot. Cone, jet, center, mist. So no matter what you need to water, whether you're hosing something down or you're watering a new plant, whatever, this is amazing. And again, the angles here, amazing. And the control here,